For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a really basic hood. Just a really standard basic hood that you can use for anything. So that's just going to be the main purpose of this tutorial. The hood that I'll be making, I will be using for the next tutorial. It's going to tie straight in to a really large cozy winter cardigan type thing. Yeah, so that's going to be for this. So a large hooded cardigan. But yeah, I just thought I've been meaning to do this for a while. Just do the standard hood tutorial so that anytime I'm making something that has a hood, I can refer back to this tutorial. And depending on, you know, the sizing and everything, I can just talk about it at the time, you know, do it on the day. Anyway, yeah, so I just thought this would be really helpful because, you know, this is always going to be the hood that I'll be using, I think. I mean, if it changes, it changes, and I'll do something different. I'm rambling. Yeah, so this is just going to be a really basic standard hood. Like I said, you can attach it to anything. You can crochet straight into it, or you can sew it to something else. But yeah, so it's just going to be this. I'll be using this yarn. Pronto. 100% acrylic. And I'll be using a 6mm, so my green 6mm, which I've never used before for a tutorial, so that's exciting. Yeah. Okay, well, I haven't done anything for a while, so it's good to be back. I don't really have anything else to say, so we should probably just get straight into it. Alright, now to begin, find the end of the yarn and make a slip knot. So, making a slip knot and adjust the knot to the hook. Now, we're going to make a chain circle. So to make a chain circle, we chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we slip stitch into the first chain. So just like that, and slip stitch, and there's your chain circle. Now, next step is to chain 35. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 35. Okay, so there's my 35. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to double crochet into the third chain back from the hook, so skipping the first 2 chains, so that's 1, 2, so into that one just there, put a double crochet, so yarn over, and into the third chain from the hook, double crochet, and just like that, and then into the next 32 chains, all the way back to the chain circle, we're going to put a double crochet, so just double crochet into all those until you have a total of 33 double crochets, but we are going to be counting the chain 2 at the end just there, so it will be a total of 34 stitches. Okay, so all the way up to that chain circle, and I'll meet back up with you soon. Okay, so here I am at the chain circle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 8 double crochets into the middle of that chain circle. So yarn over, so just into that middle. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 double crochets into the middle of that chain circle. Now we're going to be double crocheting back down to the other end. So putting your double crochet into the bottom of that stitch just there, so there should be 42 double crochets all the way back to the other end, and make sure to put your last double crochet into the top of that chain 2. So into the underside of that chain, so just to mirror the other stitch. So 1, see, just in there like that, and 2, and 3, so 34 all the way back down to the other end. Okay, here I am back down the other end, and I just wanted to show you what I meant quickly by always make sure you get right into the top of that chain 2 back at the other end. So I'm just like, I hope you can see this, just make sure you double crochet just into there so that it's even. And there we go. So now we're back down the other end. Now what we're going to do is we're going to chain 2, turn the work, and we're going to put 35 double crochets all the way back till we get to the half circle area. So 35 double crochets, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 35. Okay, here I am. I've put my 35 double crochets in all the way back up to the half circle section of the work. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 double crochets into the next 6 stitches. So per stitch 2 double crochets. So into the first stitch is 1, and same stitch 2, into the next stitch, stitch 2 is 1 and 2, into the third stitch is 1 and 2, into the fourth stitch again 1 and 2, fifth stitch 1, 2, and sixth stitch is 1 and 2. Alright, now I think there should be 34 stitches back down to the other end, so you just go ahead and put a double crochet, single double crochet into the remaining 34 stitches all the way till you get back to the other end, and putting your final double crochet into the top of that chain 2. So that should make 34 stitches back down. Okay, here I am back at the other end. Now once again we're going to chain 2 and turn the work, and 34 double crochets till you get to the half circle section. So 1, 2, 34 double crochets. Okay, here I am at the half circle section again. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting 2 double crochets into the next stitch along, so 1, 2, and then 1 double crochet into the next stitch after that, so 1. And then we're going to be doing that, that's going to happen 6 times, so that's 1, and then obviously for time number 2 there's 2 double crochets into the next stitch, followed by 1 double crochet into the stitch after that. So yeah, do that particular thing 6 times, and then we'll meet back up after that and I'll tell you how many stitches there should be till the end. I think it's 35 after this half circle part. It should be 35 back to the other end. Okay, here I am back at the other end, and once again we're going to chain up 2, turn the work, and this time we're going to do 36 double crochets till we get to the half circle section. Alright, here I am again at the half circle section, and our next step is to, so we're going to put 2 double crochets into the next stitch. So I've done 36 double crochets up until there. The next stitch along is 2 double crochets into the same stitch, 2 double crochets, followed by a single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Okay, so next stitch, a single double crochet. Did I just say that? Single double crochet. And then the next stitch along again, a single double crochet. And you're going to do that 6 times. So 2 into the same stitch, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, till you've done that 6 times. So 6 times around we'll do another one. So 2 into the same stitch, 1 and 2, followed by 1 and 1. Yeah, so 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, till you've done that 6 times. Okay, so I've done that 6 times, and this is what it's going to start to look like. Now, there should be 33 double crochets till you get back down to the other end. I'll meet you back there, and we'll talk about where to go from there. Alright, here I am, once again at the other end, and again we're going to chain up 2, and turn the work, and again we're going, well, this time we're going to put 35 double crochets in until we reach the half circle section. So 35 double crochets. Alright, here we are again at the half circle section, and this time we're going to, well, once again we put 2 double crochets into the next stitch along, so we've done our 35 up to this section, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, so 1, 2, followed by a single double crochet into the next 3 stitches, so 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to do that 6 times. So 2 into the next one along, 1 and 2, followed by 1 and 2 and 3. So do that 6 times, and we'll meet back up after that, and I'll count how many stitches it is till the other end. Okay, see you in a minute. Alright, so I've repeated that increase process 6 times, and here's what it's starting to look, well, here's what it looks like. Now, I think there are 34 double crochets all the way back down to the other end. So, all the way back down to the other end, making sure to get your final stitch into the top of that chain 2. Alright, so I've finished the increases now to make the hood. So all we're going to focus on now is deepening the hood, obviously. So now that you've finished increasing, you're just going to do straight rounds or rows, half rounds, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. There'll be 99 stitches from here. So what you do is you readjust your hook to the last stitch, and then chain up 2 and put in the 99 stitches all the way back round to the other end, and then once you get there, chain another 2, turn the work, 99 stitches around again. Alright, now because I'm going to be using this hood to make a large, comfortable, cozy cardigan type thing, I need to, and also because I'm going to be crocheting straight into the bottom of this to start the cardigan, so I'm going to need to have the ends of the double crochets here. I put 2 stitches into that when I start to work the body of the cardigan. So I'm going to need to have 60 stitches around for that, and so that will mean that I will need to do 15 of these rows or rounds. So I've already done 5, there's already been 5, so we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, so that'll give me 20 stitches so far, so I need 60. So I'm going to do another 10 rounds, and that will give me, yeah, 60 stitches I'm assuming, so yeah, 30 and 30, yeah, that'll be 60. So I'm going to do that I'm going to do that, and then I'll meet back up with you after I finish it all. I'll talk to you about it again, we'll see how it looks. So yeah, just for this tutorial, we're just focusing on the hood. And then obviously in the next, I will go straight into how to make the cardigan. Yeah, so I'm making this just so that it's a time saver, because I can't make very long videos, and I don't want to make very long videos. So this is just to cut the time out of anything else that I make that's going to have a hood, so you can just refer back to this for future reference. For other garments, yes. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to continue doing that. Like I said, chaining up 2, turning the work, 99 stitches around, and I'm doing 15 of those rounds. And yeah, I'll see you soon, and we'll see how the hood looks. Alright. Yep. Okay, so I finished the hood. Oh, stitch came undone. Doesn't matter. So yeah, I finished the hood, and this is it. So as you can see, super basic hood. Super basic hood. I'm happy with it. Yeah, this is going to be really nice. So obviously I'm using this hood for the big oversized cozy cardigan thing that I'll be making next. And like I said, you know, repeating myself obviously, but this is just to refer back to for anything that I make with a hood, just to save time on videos. So yeah, so here we go. Nice hood. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it's been useful. And I hope you come back for the cardigan and we can make that together as well. Alright. Thanks for joining me.